In this video, we will review the process of bulk registration, also known as bulk seeding, of HOTP slots on an iShield Key Pro. Throughout this video, we will present additional details and discuss the context of how this command is used to generate the files required by an authentication server to perform HOTP authentication. Bulk seeding is performed using the iShield Key Manager command line interface. Please reference the video link in the description below to learn more about the iShield Key Manager CLI. By using the password subcommand with the help argument, we may view the other arguments available to complete this task. At minimum, the mass-enroll argument requires an output file and an account by which to identify the HOTP slot. Using no header results in the CSV file without a header row. CSV columns defines what columns the CSV file will contain, including the serial number, the key or seed value, the counter value, and the length of the one-time password. The slot index argument allows you to define a specific slot beginning with 0 for which a seed will be generated and stored. Finally, you may define a touch gesture that specifies either a short tap or a long touch associated with the HOTP slot. Press Enter to run the command. Remove the iShield, insert the next iShield, and press Enter to continue the process. Once all of your iShield Key Pros have been configured, press Q. You may locate the CSV file that was created in the path specified. If no path was specified, the CSV file will exist in this current folder. Open the file to view its contents. Here we can see columns with the serial number, the seed value, the slot index, and the HOTP length. You may also open your iShield Key Manager to see a visual representation of the configuration that we just performed. We hope you found this video useful. As always, Swissbit looks forward to assisting you on your passwordless journey.